Welcome to Olaf's Oldtimer. So let's see how short of a video I can do. Just a quick one to remind you, especially our European viewers, time to get your winter tires on the car. Not so much maybe for the classic cars if you don't drive them in winter that much, but for your daily vehicles, when you drive low temperatures on ice, snow, rain, whatever, good time to do so. It's October 19th today, unseasonably warm today, 17 degrees, so perfect conditions, and I love it, especially as I don't like to put those rims dirty into the garage, so I need to wash them first. As I said, just a quick reminder, put proper tires on your car. Safety first. So, stay safe and healthy.